Let's see how to rotate text in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see, we have our text here. However, no matter what we try to do, we don't have an option to rotate it. Luckily, we have one method we can use. To do this, go over to the Insert tab, then click on Text Box, click on Simple Text Box, and then let's adjust the dimensions. After that, copy your text and paste it inside the text box. To remove the borders, simply right-click on the text box, click on Outline, and click on No Outline. And as you can see, it looks just like the text above. And now, we can rotate our text without any problems. And that's how you rotate text in Microsoft Word. See you soon!